happened here? Oh no, what is this? Is this a chicken apocalypse? Guys, where did we land on? Oh, I found something. Hammer! Yay, what if we can kill zombies? Oh no, here! Okay guys, where did I teleport it? Oh, wait, how? How is this? This is impossible. Totally. How can I fight on here? This is bad, bro. There, go. Oh, there. So the zombie apocalypse, what we're going to do is the chickens are gonna come here. Like the zombies could kill us. Just need to just 1 hour later. Oh no, how did this happen? This is something else. Let me throw some fire. Burn here. Oh, there, I just need to burn here. Hey. Touch. Come on. I killed them. There. Okay, now just need to look some more. There's no more zombies to check in. We're just gonna go to the store and check. There are no stores here, so maybe. But anyways, I can't see anything. So let me just look over there. What's that? What is that over there? Let me shoot that. There. Oh, what? What is this? Don't think so. Oh. He's so fast. Yo! Whoa. This is so crazy. How can I handle this? Hey. Yo. Even this is so funny. Oh no. Let me just. Oh no. Okay. Just need to do here. Oh, this one. Burn. Okay, they just burned. Hooray! Hallelujah. I can build something. There, I just made it now. Okay, now we can write something on it. Wait. Hey, yo, there's a file. Yo, what the? This is crazy. They just broke my car. Hey, yo! Let's shoot them! I've only one health! Man. There's no way I'm gonna beat this. There is no way. Wait, they cannot go inside my car. How can I burn them? How? Maybe. No. There, do that. to the house. So maybe he'll die. Hey yo! Okay, this is just impossible. It's too impossible to fight them. How can I do this? Let me just fly. Come on, you need to die. Just die. You don't ever die. Okay, this is too impossible. This is too impossible. He keeps running so fast. Hopefully he'll die soon. He never dies. Okay, let's just, well, I just totally ignore him. So that's why I just ignore him now. So that's, yo! That's so funny. Hey, yo, that's so funny. I'm just gonna go now. Yo, that's better. Okay, thank you for watching. Oi, hi, bye bye bye. Zombie apocalypse, then the chicken. Zombie apocalypse. You can start to next time again.